Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on SLP token. Since SLP has broken down key support of 6 cents, it is not able to find any new strong support after that. Right now, it is likely to find a support here at 1.7 cents, but as I have been telling you in my previous every video of SLP that I'm not looking at the supports, I'm looking at this resistance to be broken out for the next trade. And in today's video, we will analyze whether the price line is going to break out this resistance or not. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me show you this daily time frame chart. And here we have been watching that the price line is moving in this down channel since 4th of November, and we have several rejections by the resistance, and we have a few touch points at the support. And after this reversal, this down channel is turning from down channel to this falling wedge pattern. That is also considered to be a bullish reversal pattern among the traders community. But there is not only a resistance of this falling wedge pattern, we also have the resistance of this exponential moving average 21 on this daily time frame. You can see that this red line is the EM at 21 on the daily time frame, and it is moving above the resistance of this falling wedge. Previously, whenever the price line has been breaking out the different resistance, we had nice pumps. Like we had a resistance here that was not a big pump. Let me show you. When we broke out this resistance, then there was a small pump, approximately up to that was a 100% pump approximately, but I was expecting a move up to this resistance that we have approximately at 3 cents. And if we watch the previous resistance breakout from the previous resistance, that was a big pump, and that was approximately after the breakout, approximately 240% pump. Right now, we are again waiting for this resistance to be broken out for the next pump. I'm expecting that this time, because this was the key resistance previously, key support, this 6 cents support level. You can see that we had a nice bounce here. We had another nice bounce here and so many touch points and had a nice rally. But finally, the price line broke it down. And this was the longest and the strongest support ever in the history of SLP token that has been broken down. Now, after this breakout, I'm expecting that the price line can hit this 6 cents resistance, and it can work as a key resistance. It will be really very difficult for the price line to break it out, but once the price line will be able to break it out, then we can expect a very, very long-term massive rally. So we should be waiting for this breakout from this falling wedge pattern before buying. And right now you can see that the price line is again moved at this resistance of the falling wedge. When I shared my previous video with you, at that time it was getting bounced by this support, and right now we are at this resistance. Now, if we take a look at the very small time frame, hourly time frame chart, because this breakout on the hourly time frame from this symmetrical triangle is really very important, because while the price line has broken out this resistance of the symmetrical triangle, at the same time it has reached the resistance of this falling wedge. Therefore, it can be really very helpful for the price line to break it out. But right now, again, on the hourly time frame chart, we have found another resistance, and here we have another formation of the falling wedge pattern. So if the price line will be not rejected by this resistance of the falling wedge, and it will break out this smaller falling wedge on the hourly time frame, then there will be a really very high probability that it will also break out this resistance of the falling wedge on the bigger time frame, on the daily live time frame chart as well. Therefore, next few hours are really very important for SLP token. It is at the resistance, and it has broken out a symmetrical triangle on the smaller time frame chart and ready to break out another falling wedge on the smaller time frame, and that can trigger another bigger breakout on the daily time frame. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.